Schreiner Banking Program began in August of 2023. It was an outgrowth of a request from regional bankers to have Schreiner establish a banking program. The bankers approached President McCormick and asked him for a banking program because they saw a growing need for well-trained bankers to fill positions that were opening up throughout the state of Texas. We designed our program around this, and today we believe that we have an outstanding banking program. There's two parts to the banking program. They're separate. One is the banking minor, the other is the banking certificate. The banking minor is for our residential students. It's offered through the finance department. We have a banking advisory panel of more than a dozen regional bankers who we meet with regularly. They provide us advice. We involve them in the program, and our students have the opportunity, in fact it's a required component of the banking minor, to have an internship with one of our participating banks. The certificate program, which I've mentioned, is intended for employees of commercial banks who need some more training in order to be able to take on more responsibilities in their banks. And we are redesigning the program somewhat so that somebody in the certificate program can complete it in a period of 6 months. I hope I've interested you in the Schreiner Banking Program. I hope you'll come and check us out. I'd be delighted to meet with you and to talk to you and to connect you perhaps with some of our students who are excited about what they're doing in the banking program.